Hey everyone, Chris at Laminex, and today we are doing a full paint protection kit on a Porsche Panamera, covering the entire hood, entire fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. This vehicle is a few years old, but the paint is actually in really good condition. So the customer came to us and asked us to wrap the entire front end of his vehicle. So we're going to do a time-lapse video showing the installation process and how we actually do it, and the things that we do using Laminex Ricochet paint protection film. So let's show you how we do it. And there we have a full front-end paint protection kit on this Porsche Panamera using Laminex Ricochet paint protection film. We guarantee our paint protection film to last 10 years from any fading, yellowing, or cracking. It has self-healing properties and anti-staining properties already built into it, so you can be rest assured that it is protecting the front of your vehicle for many years to come. We have it pre-cut for nearly any make and model. Just go to our website, select your year, make, and model, and ClearBra as a product option. As you see, we either have just a small front end clip where all is partial of the fenders and partial of the hood, or we may have pre-cut kits for the entire front end. If you don't find what you're looking for, or if you have questions about your installation or the product, just give us a call. Hit us up on live chat or email us at help@laminex.com. Hope this video helps about showing Laminex paint protection film products. Have a great day. Take care.